robot vacuum cleaner is a great investment for any homeowner. You won't have to sweep, or even vacuum unless you want to, with a robot vacuum. It will save you time, money and energy. Today I want to show you the vacuum cleaner and mop, the ILIFE V5s Pro, and I will give it a review and a test. Let's open the box to see what's inside. User manual, warranty card, ILIFE guide, remote control, a power adapter, a water tank, mop cloth, 2 high-performance filter, extra side brushes, cleaning tool, the charging dock, batteries, a second mop cloth. Finally, the ILIFE V5s Pro. The design of this vacuum is sleek and modern, so it will look good in any room of your house. It comes with 2 side brushes that help clean hard to reach areas like corners and under furniture without having to move things around first. The ILIFE V5s Pro has a water tank for mopping in the dustbin to replace the water tank while cleaning. This robot vacuum comes with a long-lasting 2600 mAh battery that allows it to clean for up to 140 minutes on a single charge. The robot is also smart enough to return to its charging dock when the battery is low and will continue cleaning when it has reached a full charge. As you can see, 2 ways for charging, by charging dock or by power adapter port. ILIFE V5s Pro comes with dry and wet mopping features, as well as 3 specialized cleaning modes: spot cleaning, edge cleaning, and spiral cleaning. If you have pets or allergies, it also features a self-cleaning brush roll to help prevent pet hair from building up in the brush roll. You can use this robot vacuum cleaner on any type of flooring, including hardwood floors and carpets. In addition to being able to automatically adjust its height to match your floor type, this device can also avoid obstacles such as table legs or furniture. It also has an anti-drop sensor so it won't fall down stairs or off other elevated surfaces. It's lightweight at only 4.4 pounds, so you'll be able to carry it around. The remote control allows you to change the suction settings to suit your needs, and it even has a max mode. The max mode is great for picking up pet hair or other debris that might be hard to get with the standard settings. This robot vacuum can be programmed to clean your house at times that are convenient for you by a simple setup on your remote control. This robot vacuum is very easy to set up and easy to use. Let's start testing the cleaner modes on the floor and carpet. This one, the spot mode. The edge mode. Now the auto cleaning. And this is the result of cleaning. Now we can do the same things on mopping the floor. ILIFE V5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart choice for those who want one of the most advanced robots on the market. It does a really good job picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair, even in areas that are hard to reach. Plus, it doesn't require any special charging station or specific instructions to operate. Just plug it into a socket, and you can go about your business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.